Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play Scatter in GCash in 2025, so let's start. First tip, set up your GCash account. So before playing Scatter games, you need to activate your GCash account. Download the GCash app and register by providing your personal details, verify your account for higher transaction limits, and in-chain security. Fund your GCash wallet. Load funds into your GCash wallet using various options such as bank transfers, mobile banking, self-service, partner outlets. Ensure your wallet has sufficient funds before playing Scatter games. Number 3. Choose a trust gaming platform. Please choose a suitable platform from the list. We'll review GCash Scatter game platforms about to ensure a safe and enjoyable gaming experience. Look for platforms that meet the following criteria: secure and readable payment system, positive user reviews, valid regulatory licenses, and fair and transparent gaming policies. Number 4. Register on the gaming platform. On GCash app homepage, go to GLife, type Bingo Plus in the search bar and activate the service. Create a Bingo Plus account. On GCash takes just a few seconds. Simply follow the system prompts to complete the registration automatically. Number 5. Link your GCash wallet. After registration, link your GCash wallet to your chosen platform to ensure a smooth deposit and withdrawal transactions during your gaming experience. Make your first deposit. Before starting the game, navigate to the Account Center or Wallet section of the platform to click the Deposit button. Enter your desired deposit amount in the input file and click Submit. The system will automatically redirect you to your payment page. Review the details and complete the payment. Number 7. Select your Scatter game and place bets. Visit Platform's game page to explore the Scatter games and choose that suits your style and budget. Place your bet and spin the reels. Keep an eye on our Scatter symbol. Remember, the Scatter symbol triggers bonus features, increasing your chances of winning big. So that's the way to do it, guys. As you can see, are 7 steps that are easy to follow. If you need more help, please write in the comments and tell me if you're playing with GCash now. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.